Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. As you can see, I am sitting here on the floor in the corner next to my plant because my normal filming space has been taken by Aaron as he is working from home at the moment due to isolation. So you can expect to see a lot of my videos filmed in my living area. Because of everything that's going on, I have been getting a lot of requests on my Instagram, people asking me what skincare I use and what skincare products I would recommend to people. So I thought, what better time to come on here and share with you a few of the products that I'm using at the moment. My skin is a little bit more on the dry side, so I tend to go for products that are quite rich and hydrating. The brand that I'm using at the moment is called Eighteenb. And the two products that I'm using of theirs, which I have been using for a few months now, are the Bee Silk Protein Firm and Replenish Serum. So if you could see in the clip that I inserted at the start of the video, this is the first product that I apply, and I just tap it onto my, press it into my skin and let that dry a little bit. And then I go in with the Bee Silk Protein Hydrate Restore Rich Cream. So this one here is incredible because it is so hydrating. So with both the products, I apply them after I cleanse my skin. So in the morning I cleanse, then use the serum, and then follow with the rich cream. I actually came across this brand on Instagram. I was drawn in by their packaging. I thought they had really beautiful packaging and love the layout of their Instagram as well. So it really made me want to try the products. I think isolation is really helping everyone to get back to looking after themselves and taking care of themselves. So for me, I know I've been doing a face mask, hair mask, looking after my skincare. I'm doing all sorts of things to look after myself. So if you're in the market for new skincare products and you're looking for something new to try, then I would definitely recommend this brand. They are also really easy to communicate with. I have been passing on some feedback to them and been communicating with them back and forth, and they have been really great and really helpful with everything. So as always as well, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me either here or on my Instagram page, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions for you. And if there's anything that I'm not able to answer for you, then I'm sure that the beautiful team at Eighteenb would be more than happy to answer them for you. So that concludes today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did like this style of video, then let me know by liking the video. And if you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.